Well, hello everybody. It's that time of year again. We got to power rake our yard, and you can hire somebody to use their equipment to power rake your yard, or put an attachment on your lawnmower, change the blade, do it yourself. We're going to show you how it's done. Let's get to it. As you can see, our yard has lots of dead grass in it. When you power rake, it loosens up all the dead grass, and then when you use a lawnmower, it sucks it up, puts all your dead grass in the bags in the back of the lawnmower. Let's get to it. Let's change the blade. Let's get some power raking done. This is the lawnmower we're going to use. Toro. We're going to turn it over, and we'll get that blade changed. What it looks on the underside. Get the old grass cleaned off of that too. We get that bolt. Tell you what size of wrench that is shortly. Let's get her changed. Well, we're going to use a 5/8 standard wrench. We're going to turn it counterclockwise. It should come off very easily. Let's get her done. Here's the blade we're installing. It comes with, you install these pieces of plastic to weave through here, and they're replaceable. If they get too short, you can always buy new ones. And there you go. I'll put a link up in the information so you know how much it costs. Let's get it on. This piece goes on first. Then the blades fit in that groove just like that, and then you put your nut on. What we'll also do is, this is my normal height to set my wheels. This is the normal height I set my wheels at, but I'll lower it down 1 notch just to make sure I get all the grass, and then when I'm done, put it back up to where it was to cut the grass normally for the rest of the summer. Put the bag on, make sure it's open. There you go. Let's go do some power raking. Well, we'll take it off now. We're using a 5/8 wrench. Untwist it counterclockwise, and let's get the original blade back on. Don't forget to raise your setting, raise your deck up 1 notch, so grass will be cutting a little bit higher than what you did today. We only cut it really short every spring when we power rake. Well, there you have it. Backyard's done. Looking much better. Grass is gonna grow. All I gotta do is fertilize it now. It's gonna look really green in about a week. Hope that helps you guys. Take care of your lawn. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on our next project.